Well, with the Christmas holiday just around the corner, I know that a lot of people will be traveling. And so I want to discuss a little bit of safety from the perspective of a forensic pathologist. In terms of car travel, now, of course, we all know that car accidents spike around holidays, so Thanksgiving and Christmas and New Year's. The obvious stuff like don't drive fast and don't drink and drive, I don't think I even really need to cover because, you either know or you don't know. But what I'm getting at today is the idea of a pulmonary embolism. People sometimes will get in the car and they will try to drive as far as they possibly can. And, 10 hours in the car with very few breaks, with one brake or something, is not a good idea. Especially if you are overweight, especially if you smoke cigarettes, especially if you are on oral contraceptives, i.e. birth control. These can predispose to development of pulmonary embolism, blood clot, and subsequent pulmonary embolism. So I have had multiple cases. Usually they are in individuals who have driven a very long time without stopping, such as a long-haul trucker, but also can happen with just families, just people who are out driving. So my recommendations for you, if you are driving, other than don't drive fast and don't drink and drive, is when you're driving, make sure you are moving your legs. Make sure you are kind of flexing your feet, flexing your calves, moving your knee up and down, shifting from side to side. You don't want that blood to get stagnant in your lower extremities because then you can develop a deep venous thrombosis. And what happens is that clot can break off and go to the heart and then the pulmonary arteries and can produce sudden death. And likewise, if you're on a plane, do not sit for too long. Please get up and move around, go to the bathroom, just stand up. Enough to just get the circulation going. And that's my safety warning for your travel. There's a lot of other things we could talk about, like avoiding infections and being careful in terms of, like I said, drinking and driving. Please don't do that. But just make sure you're moving around if you are traveling for a very long period of time.